Hi, this is Marty from the Dougherty Garden, and we're doing a quick video over here. Just 5-6 feet away from the air conditioner. I'm just hoping to just turn it on while I'm out here. But this is what they call the corn plant. Now let me see if I have any different information on it. Oh, here's one of my blank little things. Not one of my popular plants, but it's a corn plant, and apparently it's if I recall, it has like a stalk. This is pre-stalk, so you can see it loves to throw little babies. So I will try and search for the scientific name. But in the meantime, I just wanted to get this up there and show my little corn plant. It's very pretty. Some people use it for a house plant. It's not on Marty's top of the list here. We'll see what we're going to do with it, whether we put it into a larger pot. Right now I have them in terracotta clay pots. They look rather fancy. They tend to get a little scraggly at times, so the old leaves, I cut them off with a little blade. Let me just take a look over here. And you can see there's a weed or two. We'll get rid of the weeds. But there are babies coming up. Apparently it's very happy doing what it's doing. So with that in mind, we'll just cross off and move it to a few of the other little darlings over here. This is my shade area of the plant. My bamboo growing right there. But this is the corn plant. Thank you. Stop by. Please like the video. Any questions or you're growing a corn plant, let us know. Show us pictures. Comments are all here with ears on. Thank you. Bye-bye.